Just want to share with you guys how to do a master reset on a Krell Foundation processor. First thing you want to do is on the front panel mash the menu button. Now the menu button on the remote just brings up the on-screen display on the TV. You cannot reset one of these with the on-screen display of the TV. It has to be done from the front panel. Okay, after you hit the menu button, it's going to bring up your options over here. You want to scroll down with this button and you want to go to Restore Settings. Okay, then next you want to hit the middle button, which is the enter button. Hit the middle button. Then you want to hit it again. Then hit it again. Then when it says enter, hit it again. And you then basically just wait till it completes the restoration. Like a few minutes, something like that. There's several reasons you might want to do this. Like if you're getting one, where you bought it off the internet or something, the previous owner's settings might interfere with your own home theater. Like they might have certain speakers set to small or to a certain frequency, crossover frequency that just doesn't suit your home theater. And a lot of times doing something like this might fix some little glitch or something. It's been known to happen every now and then. Where restoring something, kind of like restoring your computer, you're starting off with a clean slate. Which is a pretty good idea to do every so often. Matter of fact, I'd recommend probably doing this every so often anyway. But the only thing is, after you do this, you got to remember that all your previous custom settings are going to be wiped out. So, you may only want to just do it if you're having a problem. But it's just to each his own. Okay, so it's just succeeded. It cuts off.